Ooh, someone looks pretty clean today. What you up to, Panda? You guys guessed it. If you've seen it in the title, you know that we are gonna finally install the over fender wide body kit on Panda. For those that don't know, I did a few videos back on this kit. People, let me take this off. Excuse my voice, I'm really tired. I just got off work right now, but you already know in the title that I'm putting on the wide body kit really soon. But today we're gonna be reshaping the rear pieces of the over fender to fit for Panda in a special, unique way. And Juan is the homie and he's gonna hook it up. Heading to his shop right now before it closes. I'm gonna drop off Panda and drop off the kit and let him do his thing. I don't know if I'll be there to vlog or show the process, but for the most part work is crazy, and you know, I'm gonna do my best to show what Juan did. I need those rear pieces reshaped so that way Panda can have his own unique style, and it helps delete the hatchback design on the kit, because this kit is originally designed for the hatchback version of the Honda Civic or the Type R. This is called the M&M kit, and that's the name of the kit if you guys want to be looking for it. There is a front bumper that's supposed to go along with this kit, but I did not want that bumper because I like the bumper that Panda has right now, and I'm gonna do something different to it. I might have to lose my lip, but I'm not sure. I won't have a car for a few days. I'm really excited. I can't wait. This day helps let me know that I am a really big step closer to finishing or completing my own dream car, and I'm almost in a loss of words that I know good people that are amazing to help me out in this, because for a moment in a few videos back I didn't think that I would find somebody to help me do this, because so many people didn't want to work with me, or not so many, but a particular company didn't want to work with me. And that's not fair, but you know, I can't make people work with me if they don't want to. I just mean there's a nicer way to say it than what the person told me. But we're not gonna get into that. Today, let's just head down to the shop, because I am hot, I'm burning up right here. Wow, the whole kit's in here. There's nothing in my car but just the kit itself with the side skirts. Here, you guys look. So right here are the side skirts, the front fenders, both of them, and that is the rear fender pieces that are really going to be cut. But the reason why I'm giving him the whole entire kit is so that way he can mock it up and see how everything fits, and give the rear pieces a better design on how things should sit. I'm just gonna let the man do his magic and go from there. You know, I'm pretty sure whatever he does, it'll come out nice. I know most of you have been waiting. Some of you have commented in the older video and I responded to that too recently. Thank you for those that were giving me good vibes and trying to get my spirit up. But for you guys, today is a day where questions are finally gonna be answered. I'm probably the only person with this kit on this side of the planet, so I'm really excited for it. Thank you for those that have been supporting me, because if you guys weren't supporting me, I know I'm not like the biggest YouTuber, but for those that have supported me, it helps me know that I'm not alone in this, and you know, you guys want to see me grow. Just like, you know, there are good people here despite the protests, despite everything that's going on. You guys are the ones that are making me push through these dark times right now, and I really appreciate it. So thank you. Let's go see Juan and let's get today started. I think Panda's still sleeping, you guys. Why are you so hard? Get out of here, stretching, bro. Stretch is over. I still need to see the school. Don't play with me, Panda. I just realized that I've been working out as much as I can, even at work and everything. But Panda's kind of been working out too, and the kid on it, he's gonna be buff just as well. I want to see a buff little Panda today. I can't wait. What up, bro?
What's up, man?
Oh my god.
How you been?
Rough day at work. Alright, you guys, this is Juan's shop. He is hella busy. And if you guys don't know who Juan is, we met at Supercar Sunday. And if you guys remember this car, those wheels, bro. If you guys don't know, these fenders right here are metal. These are metal fenders, not fiberglass, metal. He made them himself, so I know for a fact that he can do this wide body kit no problem. Check this out. I mean, look at his work. He really fixes cars from looking like this and reshaping them. It's amazing. And right now, as you guys saw, he's working on this kind of Porsche style. I really don't know what kind of car this is. You guys comment down below what kind of car this is, but he's sanding down the primer right now. He's about to really paint this.
What's up, man? How you doing?
Hey, chilling.
What up, man? ¿Todo bien? ¿Tranquilo?
Todo tranquilo.
Yeah, I was like, why is your car here, man?
Left it here, man.
Ariel's is here. Guys, I'm gonna leave Panda here.
All these, man?
Yeah, we're about to take off.
See you, bro.
See you.
Take care. Good seeing you. You got it. You too. Thank you, guys.
Alright, Panda. Oh! Cause it's just that.
Rose petals.
Yeah, I'm like, oh! Oh my gosh. No! Panda, I love you. I feel bad. It's like leaving a kid. I forgot my gate opener. Oh, shit. I was like, there we go. Alright. Yeah, I got it.
Alright.
Alright, bro. Thank you. See you.
No problem.
Oh, she did. You too. I was like, she left me. Oh, Panda. I'll see you when I see you, buddy. I thought you left me. It's Bean.
What's up, man?
Thank you. Hey, thank you. Food was he kind of like devoured everything with left like. Yo, what's up, Bean? Damn, what's up with this glass, bro? What's up with this glass, bro?
What's up, man?
Guys, that was my alarm. It's 6:35 in the morning. Actually, yesterday I got a text from Juan, and he said the kid's finished, or at least what he had to do. I'm just now waking up. Can't believe it. Really excited. I'm just really tired. This week went by really fast. We dropped off the car on Monday and today's Thursday already, and I'm like, wow. Yesterday was Juan's birthday, so hopefully today after work I can pick up something for him. But man, one step closer to having Panda as the dream car that I always envision it to be, and the kit is a big part of that vision. So I just can't wait. I don't know what to say anymore. I'm still waking up. I fell asleep really late, like at 4 in the morning, It is now 6 o'clock. So, guys, bear with me. I'll see you guys after work, because after work, we're going to stop by Juan's and get Panda back. Hey, did you guys come with me to work? Looks like you guys did. Flaming Hots. Another sign that Ariel was here. Go through these boxes here. We found Ariel in her natural habitat. Scanning boxes.
Looks like I'm gonna be here for a minute.
A lot of boxes. Boxes and boxes and parts and boxes. Paperwork. Alright, Ariel's now off to work. We're gonna go pick up Panda. And see you guys when you get there. Hey! Let's see Juan. Juan!
What's up, brother?
What's up, bro?
Good, good, good.
Yeah, this is exactly this. I like this. I like how you brought it out though, too.
Right?
Oh, bro, I'm getting goosebumps. No. This is weird. Oh, the gas tank looks dope, too. Oh my god. Yeah, I got goosebumps. Nice. I fucking love it.
Right?
Yes. Bro, thank you, bro. Thank you, thank you. And you guys got to check this out. Cinematics right now. I do not believe this shit. Oh my god. And someone said that this couldn't work. I'm gonna drive by their shop, watch. I'm gonna drive by their shit and let them know what happened. It's right here. Look at that. Proof.
This piece right here, it was longer. It was
Yeah.
like it wasn't fitted right, so I cut it and I took like probably an inch and I glued it back with fiberglass, and then I shaped it all around here. Because this thing, it was like right here,
Got you.
and it came like this.
Yes.
If you remember, it was like
Yes, yes.
it was like this. So I add this piece right here. Right here, so the leftover, this thing, it was here, and I put it right here.
Oh,
that's
dope.
what it looks like.
Oh. Magic. Tell magic. Oh, I like this. That is fucking dope. Oh, I got goosebumps. Like, that's fucking nice. Juan even protected my rims, bro. Like, that's like work with care. I will be installing the whole kit soon, but right now I'm just really excited about this piece. We'll see when I will be putting on the rest of the kit, but for now, like, that's amazing. Woo. Yeet. One more piece.
Hold the piece. Hold it. Yeah.
There we go. Yeah. Oh, bro. If this was one color, it looks like it was never even cut. That is crazy.
There you go.
Nice. I'm not worried about it. I knew
And I fixed the bumper.
Yes, you fixed it. I was gonna do a whole video on that, but nah, thank you.
Yeah, I fixed it.
Oh yes, yes. What did you do? Did you use a?
I took the original clip and I put a 10mm bolt in nut. And I put a new clips on it.
Yeah, I was trying to buy those too.
Yeah.
Yay! Fuck yeah!
I took the bumper off and I left
Lift
it
it
up.
up.
Yeah.
Okay, so now what I have to do is fix this stupid lip. What? How long did it take for that to like dry and everything?
it's a fiberglass in the weather, it's probably like two hours.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Juan. Recording, it doesn't matter. Guys, man, I'm driving off a Panda. What's up, buddy? What's up? We're gonna go, me and Ariel are driving to get some pho. I am so excited that this kit is definitely gonna be on the car. Woo! Panda getting buff, you know what I'm saying? Wide body game. Panda's gonna be part of the wide body game. Ooh, that's some, yeah, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god.
The number 19 and then Ava.
What up? Ava. He's here. You haven't been training. No, you have.
I haven't trained.
Yeah, you have.
I have.
A little bit.
I have. I'm still practicing. I'm practicing myself before.
Hey, Ava, coconut water?
Sure. I don't know if
Thai tea. No more? No, no more. Don't say
I'm
no
gonna
more.
go check right now.
Don't say
and
no
you
more.
said Thai tea boba?
Yeah, thank you so much. Here.
Fedibles.
Snacks.
Yo, Juan just sent me all the pictures, bro. What? How it was made and everything. That is dope. Why you gotta bring Ariel Thai tea and me nothing?
Special.
Yeah.
Special looking.
Evil.
No more coconut water.
No.
We actually do, but I didn't want to sell it
No,
to
no.
you.
Oh, evil. What?
Should I
Contemplate.
Now I can't have Thai tea now?
let me think about it.
You're evil. Evil. Get out of here. You guys see how they're always treating me all mean? I can't even have coconut water. Yeah. She agrees with everybody except for me. Well, I guess I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna eat this food. I'm tired, fatigued. I gotta edit the videos you guys saw before this video, so I know, right? Where does the time go? I cannot wait to put the kit on. I think I'll do that on another video. I just wanted to show you guys that it can be done. The kit is going to be on the car. I just want to find the correct bolts for it since I don't have everything together right now. Just stay tuned and you guys will see how Panda turns out. See you guys on the next one. Do you want to end the video?